My fellow Jamaicans at home and across the diaspora, happy Independence Day. 64 years ago, Jamaica claimed the right to determine its own future. Today, we celebrate that achievement under the theme, United in Celebrating Resilience, which measures the strength of our nation and our determination to overcome. That spirit has been evident throughout our history, and more recently in the recovery from Hurricane Melissa. The Jamaican government that led the charge, businesses, families, communities, emergency workers, and friends from across the world continue the tireless task of rebuilding our nation. Such acts of kindness remind us that resilience grows stronger when compassion and unity walk hand in hand. Our journey since 1962 also teaches another important lesson. Political independence secured our freedom as a nation, but every generation must continue to pursue independence in its own way. For many of our young people, that journey begins with education. Success is seldom easy, yet learning remains one of the surest pathways to opportunity and progress. Whether through academic study, technical training, or skills development, every young Jamaican should seize the opportunities available to prepare for the future. Education equips our children to compete confidently, ensuring they are never left behind in an increasingly demanding world. The respect Jamaica enjoys across the globe reflects that pursuit of excellence. Our athletes inspire us with their achievements. Our scholars distinguish themselves in leading institutions, and Jamaicans continue to excel wherever they are called to serve. Our accomplishments remind us that no Jamaican should ever feel as though they are standing at the back of the line. Above all, Independence Day is an occasion for gratitude. We thank Almighty God for His sustaining grace through every triumph and every trial. We are grateful for the kindness shown by neighbors, friends, and our international partners. A grateful nation gives as generously as it receives. Having received such generosity, let us remain willing to extend the same help and the same helping hand to others. On this 64th anniversary of independence, let us be bold in pursuing excellence, patient in overcoming adversity, proud of all that Jamaica has accomplished, and humble enough to recognize that our greatest achievements are made possible through God's grace and our commitment to one another. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. May God continue to bless each one of us, and may God continue to bless Jamaica, the land we love.